On this video, I'm going to show you how the Averiware customer self-service portal works. So let me log in the portal really quickly so you can see what it looks like. So you'd basically have a link to our portal on your website, and the portal can be configured based on your customer requirement needs. In this portal, what we set up is, your logos on the top. Then right here, you can have different options, right? So in this case, I put a bunch of options. You may not have all these options on your customer portal, depending on what you want your customers to do. You can also set this for each specific customer. So you might have some customers that have customer service, and this would be a place where they could put in a request, right? So if they're servicing equipment, or they have an accounting problem, or whatever that request may be, or order issue, you can actually set up these. They're all configurable. What type of problem, who's reporting it, and this pulls into your system. If it's linked to equipment, you can find the equipment in here also. In this case, I don't have any equipment set up here. Let me go back. So then you can also set up requests for having them create quotations. You can do this by creating orders directly. And this would be in the case if your customers know what they want to order. So you can have your products listed here, and you can also set them up by categories. In this case, there's no category set up, so these drop-downs don't work. And then when they choose products, these flow directly into your system for you to process and push, deliver to the customer. In some cases, you may have like a reorder form or order form. Order form is usually useful if you have a specific number of products that you want to offer your customers. Here, they can just type in the quantity of what they're ordering. You can also see what they ordered last. You can see what they ordered last time. So here, it's a quick form. The data entry is really easy. Once they're done with this, they just hit submit. You can have these required fields ordered by the PO number, or you can set them as not required fields. You can also put a note. So when they're all done here, they'll see the total and hit submit. Okay, that's required field. Okay, so here you can say I create an order. You can also allow them to reorder based on past orders and make a payment. Here you'll see this notification section. You can actually send messages. These could be messages on when you're delivering, if you have a regular scheduled delivery that's set up, or recent orders, or if you're offering some specific products and you want customers to be aware of them, you can actually list the products here. Here you have a calendar, and you also have reports that are available to the customer. If they constantly call you for copies of invoices or past orders or quotes, you can actually have links to the past orders and quotes here so they can pull them up themselves. So let me log out and show you where you configure all this stuff. So I'm going to log into the demo company, and I'm going to go to customer care and pull up customer. So here in this customer, we have different options, and we have a customer portal option here. So here in customer portal, you can set up different logins. If they have a number of team members at your client that have to order, you can set up individual unique logins for each. You can also set up different options, so maybe some customers have specific employees that can order, other employees that can, reorder. You can also, other employees that may be able to make a payment. You can also show the pricing on the form or not. In some cases, you may not want to show the pricing on the form because it's not relevant to the person who's ordering it if it's a large organization. So you can hide that. You can also set up what's available on the order form. So in our system, you can set up catalogs. So if you set up a catalog, you can just drop the catalog in here, so you don't have to type each specific item. Let's see, a catalog that has something in here. Here's a sample catalog, and it shows you which additional products, if you want, into the catalog. So outside of adding, let's see if anything else. So here, you can add additional items to the catalog. You can just select them or just add them, and they're added in here. If you want to change a specific price on one item, you can click on that and you can change the price here. So you could start with a base catalog, update the pricing, and you can then modify the pricing to the customer. That way it saves you a lot of time from entering all this data. Other things on the catalog that you can do is, if they have equipment you're servicing, you could have that equipment listed so they can enter a request to service specific equipment. If they're ordering product from you and you have a set delivery schedule, you can actually send up reminders, email reminders. So, 1 or 2 days before your scheduled delivery, there's an email that automatically goes out reminding them to order. And you also can set up notifications. So here, if you have specials on products, you can set up a different notifications that will show up on their portal when they log in. So if you're selling products, or you want to remind them of something, you can do that. And you can do this for each specific customer, or you can do this for all the customers in a certain area. That's possible also. So the other thing I'll show you really quickly here related to customer orders is once the order is pushed into our system, it goes into the pick list. So as soon as it's ordered, you'll be able to see that when you go to the pick list, and you'll see all the products and anything that was ordered. So this is the order I just placed today from that portal on this demo. And you can see there was notes. So you can see the note that came up related to this order that customer entered. And one last thing, since I showed you catalogs, let me show you what that looks like here. So here you can set up different catalogs. So this was a demo market catalog. And you can also update the images. In this case, I don't think we've updated the images here, but you can update the images. So you can have those if you want them to show up in different features that Averiware offers. So again, this is a quick view of the customer portal that we have in Averiware, and again, it's part of our normal product. It's tied into our system directly, so if you get orders from the portal, those are payments, they're applied, and it just flows into your normal business process. So if you have any questions or want any more details about our customer portal or anything else in our Averiware product, let us know. We'd be happy to have a demo or show you some more. Thanks.